Akriti Ophthalmic offers a comprehensive range of high-quality solutions designed to meet the diverse needs of ophthalmic and oculoplastic surgeons. Their portfolio includes ocular conformers, eye spheres in both PMMA and silicone, gold-weight implants, frontalis sets, and implant sizes, each crafted with precision to ensure optimal patient outcomes. Ocular conformers are essential for maintaining the shape of the ocular socket post-enucleation or evisceration, helping to prevent contracture and supporting tissue healing. Akriti's conformers are available in various sizes and designs to suit individual anatomical requirements, ensuring comfort and effective rehabilitation. Eye spheres, offered in both PMMA, polymethyl methacrylate, and medical-grade silicone, serve as reliable orbital implants to restore orbital volume after enucleation. PMMA spheres are valued for their durability and biocompatibility, while silicone spheres provide flexibility and a lightweight alternative, catering to different surgical preferences and patient needs. Gold-weight implants are a critical solution for patients suffering from Enophthalmos, often due to facial nerve palsy. These implants are meticulously engineered to be thin yet effective, allowing for precise eyelid closure and improved patient comfort. The gold weights are available in multiple sizes and weights, enabling surgeons to tailor the solution to each patient. Frontalis sets from Akriti are designed for frontalis suspension procedures, providing reliable support for eyelid elevation in cases of ptosis. These sets include high-quality materials that facilitate secure fixation and long-term functionality, supporting both pediatric and adult patients. Implant sizes are indispensable tools for surgeons during orbital reconstruction, enabling accurate assessment of implant size before final placement. Akriti provides a wide array of sizes, allowing for precise intraoperative decisions and reducing the risk of post-operative complications. With a commitment to innovation, safety, and patient-centric design, Akriti Oculoplasty products, akriti.co.in, stands as a trusted partner for ophthalmic professionals seeking reliable, advanced solutions for oculoplastic surgeries.